Are you tired of being rejected for loans and credit cards because of your low credit score? Do you want to know the secret to boosting your credit score and achieving financial freedom? Look no further, because I have the solution for you. Improving your credit score is not an overnight process, but with some effort and dedication, you can see a significant improvement in just a few months. Here are 6 tips to get you started. 1. Check your credit report for errors. You'd be surprised how many errors there can be on your credit report that are dragging down your score. Make sure to check for inaccuracies and dispute any errors with the credit bureau. 2. Pay your bills on time. Payment history is one of the most significant factors in determining your credit score. Set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. 3. Keep your credit utilization low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you use compared to your credit limit. Aim to keep your utilization below 30% to avoid negative impacts on your score. 4. Don't close old credit accounts. Length of credit history is another factor that influences your score. Even if you're not using a credit card anymore, it's better to keep the account open and use it occasionally to maintain your credit history. 5. Consider a secured credit card. If you have a poor credit history, getting approved for a traditional credit card may be difficult. A secured credit card can help you rebuild your credit by requiring a cash deposit, which becomes your credit limit. 6. Seek professional help. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start, consider seeking the advice of a credit counselor. They can help you create a plan to improve your credit score and provide guidance along the way. By following these tips, you can start to see improvements in your credit score within a few months. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results right away. Improving your credit score is a long-term process. Remember to stay consistent and committed to your plan, and you'll be on your way to financial freedom in no time. Need help? Message me. I would love to help.